Hello, my name is Akshya. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm about to finish my master's in hospital management right here in Apollo Institute of Hospital Administration. I am cochlear implanted for both the years bilateral, where I got my first surgery in 2007 from Nuclear Freedom, and then I got upgraded to N8 in the year 2024 under the guidance of Dr. E.C. Vinaya Kumar. I have no words to describe about him. He's an awesome doctor. Last but not the least, Apollo Hospitals have given me the second life where the exceptional care throughout my journey. I would like to recommend all the youngsters and whoever are willing to take a cochlear implant I would like to recommend Dr. E.C. Vinay Kumar, the best doctor in the whole Hyderabad. Thank you, Vinay Kumar, doctor. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Dr. E.C. Vinaya Kumar, Head of Department of ENT and Cochlear Implant Surgery at Apollo Hospitals. Akshya Reddy is one of the more than 2,500 children I have implanted in this hospital. And I'm so proud that we have these children who otherwise would have been without speech and without hearing, that they are able to come into the mainstream of life and proceed with their careers. And we have a lot of these children who have excelled, and Akshya Reddy is proof of that. She has just finished hospital administration, and she's looking forward to a career in our department, where she will be looking after the running of the department, and hopefully as an implantee herself, she will give a lot of hope and encouragement to the patients who come here. Thank you.